All right, so this is Sandra. She had a really bad elbow fracture 4 months ago in October. And Sandra, how are you feeling today about 4 months after your surgery?
Great.
Great. And can you show me the incision on your arm here?
Sure.
So you had a pretty bad fracture there. Originally we were talking about, risk of not being able to necessarily move too much or having some pain. Show me how much motion you have of that elbow.
Oh, I can, all over, I can move. Everything's perfect.
Great. Do you have any pain at all?
None.
Good. And Sandra, I'm going to just show them your x-rays and your CAT scan here. So here on the right, this was her elbow fracture. Over here you see where that yellow line that the radiologist wrote, how many little pieces she had in the break of her ulna. And here this is a CAT scan. I'm just going to scroll through. You can see how many tiny little pieces that this ended up falling into. So we were worried about her, and she had some concerns with bleeding and things like that, and whether or not fixing it was a good choice. But now 4 months afterwards, you could see how many screws that she required to get that together with a nice, let me put up the most recent x-rays here from January, which is today. These are the most recent ones, and you can see that came nicely together. It required 18 screws. Let me just get that focused for you. And 2 plates to get it all back. But despite all this, she's doing great, okay?
I'm doing great.
All right, Sandra. Well, thank you so much for taking the time for the video. I appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome.